Madam Toastmaster, my fellow Toastmasters, honored guests, I'm here to talk about walking, talking. Last week, I asked my mom, "Mom, why are you going in this morning winter with this jacket outside? You see this jacket? How thin it is? With 45 degree, 35 degree outside." She said, "It makes me feel good." 80-year-old mom told me that walking is making good. My theory today, I would like to put my theory today to you is walking and talking. Why I included talking for your walking? Walking for some people it's really hard. How many of you, first of all, make walking as your exercise, part of your life? How many of you do that? Okay, thank you. I put my hand here saying that I want to really know how many people are really doing that. I could see only 25% of this crowd is doing only walking as an exercise. After my speech, I want everybody to think why walking is so important. That's my goal today. For 3 reasons, I want to make, again, walking as a part of your life. But before going there, let us compare walking and talking with watching TV and eating. Why did I do that? The comparison is, when you're watching a TV, you eat anything. Even if your mom puts something on the plate, even healthy, you don't feel like you eat it. Watch. The point here is, talking is like a boost for walking. How it can happen? My 3 major points here. My first point here is, it relieves your stress. I know a lot of people are nodding head here. Raja, G. So, stress, we are facing stress in life. Walking helps you. How does it help you? So Raja is asking me now, you know what, I have so much time only. I can walk only little and I cannot even do that. Because I have my kid, I have my mom to take care, I have to call my foreign country. Anything. It's difficult to do that part. But what I'm saying to you, as a young generation, we do have a lot of technology going here. You can call a friend and walk and talk with your life. Or when you're talking with your mom, you can just call and walk. Talk, walk. That's easy. There is other society where a group of people is living. My second point goes there. They lose memory. They want to increase their memory power. Is it true? Some people want to do that, even me. I lose my memory. How do we do that? Call your friend. Make a walking partner. Walking partner really helps you. One time, I called my husband. Honey! Oh, wait. Phone is gone. I cannot call my husband, but you remember, you have a lovely friend, you have a lovely other family members you can call and make them as a partner for walking. It increases your memory power. Remember that. There are other society where a group of people looking for really help because they are facing through a lot of difficulty condition on their life, like cancer. One of my friend called me and said, Abby, like, I walked today and I feel so good. She had a cancer. She knows the limitation of life. She has been given a time frame to look for the next visit. What should I do? She said every time she calls me, but she's no more now. She calls me and say, Abby, today I walked. You know how much punches they do for cancer? Like, calls me and said, I feel so good today. I wish I could have more time to walk. Given a time limit, you decide what you want to do. Ladies and gentlemen, we do have a lot of time. Fortunately, unfortunately, we are not knowing our time frame of our lifespan. Can't we not think about what we are trying to do in our life to make ourselves happy and go look forward how we can relieve so many things in your life? At least the 3 points what I told. Not only that, that doesn't even make me sound better. My mom, 80-year-old mom, told me, Abby, I feel good after walking. And I felt so happy when I do that. If 80-year-old lady can do something like with this jacket in 45 degree Fahrenheit, let us think now. She has got all the age-old problems and she knows what she is doing. She has got a lot of willpower. She says like, I can walk with this jacket. Right, that willpower is more. So I have given you a lot of examples, putting forward, talk and walk. Even she doesn't need talk. She just walks with the willpower. Ladies and gentlemen, where there is a will, there is a way. Thank you so much.